Welcome to A1, example 2. The question asks, find the first, second, and third differences of a ax plus b x plus c, so polynomial, by filling in the blanks in the following table. This is a quadratic. Or a second degree. And what we're doing is we're going to make a generalization about all quadratics or second degree polynomials. So they've actually made the table for us. They've plugged in the x values, and this is the result, right? This would be our y value column. This is the output. We have c when x is 1, a, b, and c, so it's a plus b plus c. 4a, right? 2 squared is 4a plus 2 plus c. So hopefully you understand where the y values come from. So to find the first differences, we're going to subtract consecutive terms. So a plus b plus c minus c. And when we subtract c, these cancel, and we're left with a plus b. When we do the next one, we have to be very careful to make sure that we're subtracting the quantity. 4a plus 2b plus c minus a plus b plus c. It's that whole quantity that we're subtracting, meaning this turns into a negative, this turns into a negative, and this turns into a negative, and we're subtracting each. And so we get 3a plus b. And so there are our first two. As we continue down, 9 minus 4, right, because we're going to be subtracting 4a minus 2b minus c, and we're left with 5a plus b. We have 5a plus b, and the pattern is we're jumping by 2a, and this comes to be 7a plus b, and then 9a plus b. To find the second difference, we subtract consecutive terms. This is 9a plus b minus the quantity 7a plus b, right? We have to distribute the negative sign. We get 2a. Do that here. You're left with 2a. Remember that pattern we saw where it jumps by 2 every time? 1a, 3a, 5a, 7a, 9a. Well, we have a second difference of 2a. When we go to our third difference, 2a minus 2a, we're left with 0. And so all of these second differences are 0. And this holds true for all quadratics. So if you're asked a question, is a table I'm given, an XY table I'm given, a quadratic? If you look at the differences, not the first difference, but the second difference, if they are all the same, and the third differences are 0, then you know you're dealing with a quadratic or a second degree polynomial.